One of the things that every property manager should do is maintain the dryer ducting in any sort of a residential area, whether it's an apartment or a condominium complex. As we all know, dryer lint is quite often sort of wet, and it tends to stick like paper mache to almost anything. So we've created a very simple tool that any property manager can use. This particular one is a drill-powered duct brush. It extends out to 8 feet for the purpose of reaching the far reaches of that dryer duct, whether you go from one direction or the other. When it's hooked onto a drill, that will rotate and beat the lint off of the inside of the duct. It's safe to use on semi-rigid, on solid pipe, or on foil duct as well. So it really becomes a nice, easy way to make sure that that path for the moist air to expel from your dryer is not hindered by the buildup of lint. There are about 15,000 dryer fires in North America every year, and had people use something like this, a very simple tool, it may have avoided that lint buildup. One of the other products that Home Depot Pro has is a very simple lint trap brush that allows you not only to get underneath appliances like refrigerators and stoves, but into the far corners of your dryer cavity. So when you pull the lint trap out and you slide that in, you'll be able to get into the far corners of that dryer bottom or that base and collect any of the lint that may have been built up within the dryer box.